Hey guys, Flip Man here. So welcome to today's whiteboard video on how to become financially free through Airbnb, and specifically today I'm going to teach you guys about arbitrage, another great video on arbitrage. So we have a Tempe home that is 1,300 square feet. The monthly rent on this property is about $2,500. So you typically sign a year's lease on the long-term leases and you're guaranteed $2,500 plus they give you a security deposit. That's one way to go, and I'm going to show you guys how going that way is very slow accumulating wealth and financial freedom. This process takes forever. We're into velocity of money, making money turn very quickly, and that's what you get with arbitrage. So on this particular property, we're gonna go ahead and show you the differences of having your weekday prices and your weekend prices. So what we do throughout the year is we will change up, just on the app, you put your weekday prices and then you have a weekend price, which will be higher because people are a lot of times traveling on the weekends, so they're apt to pay more. So this particular example in Tempe, it's an Airbnb. We're gonna do a 3-day stay. So the guest checks in, let's say on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That stay is going to be, we multiply 180 times 3 plus our cleaning fee. So I total it up to be $690. Airbnb will take 3% of that. 3% would get you back $669.30. I know that's a fear of a lot of you guys. What is Airbnb gonna charge me? They don't charge you as the host very much. This guest will actually pay more than $690 because Airbnb charges them fees. If you guys have ever stayed in an Airbnb, there are more fees that they charge directly to the guest. I see, but it's irrelevant to me as long as I'm making this kind of money every 3 days. What we did for this particular example, it's peak season, so we went ahead the weekend night, we raised it $70. And then you'll also notice we raised the cleaning fee from $150 to $200. So all said and done, $950 is the number if you add these up for 3 nights during the weekend, and you divide that by 3% because that's what, again, Airbnb is taking away from your money for being the host and what they charge you. So basically out of the $950, you're getting $921.50. That is beautiful because it goes right into your bank account. So if we add these numbers up, guys, let's just take the $669.30 and then we got the $921.50. So that's gonna give you $1590.80. That's only for 6 nights compared to a whole 30 days, $2,500. So I'm getting close to that number. Now let's just go and say they stayed another 6 nights, 3 nights during the weekday, 3 nights at weekend. So now you're already up to $3181.60. So all I have to do is book 12 nights out of the month. That's pretty easy with your Airbnb properties. If you hit 20 nights out of 30, that's good. If you hit 25 plus, that's exceptional. And we've hit some of those numbers. For the final example, we're gonna have it booked another 12 nights. So that will give us a total of 24 nights. If you just do 24 nights, you're at $6,363.20. Getting back to our original premise, velocity of money, $2,500 guys versus $63.20. You're making nearly $4,000 more by having an Airbnb versus a long-term rental. So I'm a strong believer in the short-term rental game. After learning this was a very slow process and I didn't want to do it anymore. That was our whiteboard today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, definitely hit me up, share it with your friends, like it, and then we'll be having another whiteboard coming soon. Let me know also what you guys want to hear about, and I'll be sure to make a whiteboard on that. Some real exciting news. A lot of you have been asking me about how do I get into working with you? How could we learn more about Airbnb? Well, it's coming. The team worked very hard on developing our passive income accelerator courses. So if you guys want to check that out, just go to piaaccelerator.com and it'll break everything out you guys need to do as far as getting your very first Airbnb, and you'll get to join the community where we all meet on a weekly basis. So until the next one, peace and talk to you soon.